Crafting a comprehensive guide on what is the best fertilizer for seedlings involves breaking down various aspects to ensure you get the most out of your seedlings. Let's embark on this journey together and explore the world of seedling fertilizers. Firstly, understanding the needs of seedlings is crucial. Seedlings are like babies, delicate and in need of proper care. They require essential nutrients to thrive and grow into healthy plants. These nutrients include nitrogen, phosphorus, and potassium, often referred to as NPK. Nitrogen is like fuel for plants, promoting healthy leaf growth. Phosphorus aids in root development, while potassium helps with overall plant health and disease resistance. When choosing a fertilizer, look for one with balanced NPK ratios, such as 10-10-10 or 20-20-20, to meet the needs of your seedlings. Organic fertilizers, derived from natural sources like compost, manure, or fish emulsion, are excellent choices for seedlings. They provide a slow and steady release of nutrients, promoting steady growth without the risk of burning delicate roots. Now, let's talk about application methods. When fertilizing seedlings, less is often more. Over-fertilizing can harm your seedlings, so it's essential to follow the instructions on the fertilizer package carefully. Start with a diluted solution, gradually increasing the strength as your seedlings grow. Another crucial factor to consider is soil pH. Most seedlings prefer slightly acidic soil, with a pH range of 6.0 to 7.0. You can use a soil pH tester to determine the acidity of your soil and adjust it as needed, using amendments like lime or sulfur. Watering is also key when fertilizing seedlings. Always water your seedlings before applying fertilizer to prevent root burn. Water-soluble fertilizers are ideal for seedlings, as they can be easily absorbed by the roots when diluted in water. Now, let's address some common questions about seedling fertilizers. Can I use regular garden fertilizer on seedlings? While regular garden fertilizers may contain the necessary nutrients, they often have higher concentrations, which can be too harsh for delicate seedlings. It's best to use a fertilizer specifically formulated for seedlings to avoid damaging them. How often should I fertilize my seedlings? Seedlings typically need fertilization every 2-4 weeks, depending on their growth rate and the type of fertilizer used. Monitor your seedlings closely and adjust the fertilization schedule as needed. Are there any alternatives to commercial fertilizers? Yes, you can make your own organic fertilizer at home using ingredients like compost, worm castings, or seaweed extract. These natural alternatives provide nutrients while also improving soil health. In conclusion, choosing the best fertilizer for your seedlings involves considering their nutritional needs, soil pH, and application methods. Organic fertilizers are gentle and effective, promoting healthy growth without harming delicate roots. Remember to water your seedlings before fertilizing and monitor their progress closely to ensure optimal growth. With the right fertilizer and proper care, your seedlings will thrive and grow into strong, vibrant plants. Happy gardening!